Hey there, AmyK here, 50 at 50, number 46. And we are hearing from Elizabeth about an underperforming sales team. And I've got a little bit of some provocative advice for her. So here goes. Hey, AmyK, hello. I watched your live the other day. Okay, so I was on Instagram for my very first ever live and I did a happy hour cocktail. So she comments on this. Great martini recipe. Thank you. I think so too. And so fun to watch. I felt like we were really drinking together, and then she's got LOL exclamation point. Here goes. I'm having a hard time staying patient. I know that everyone is quietly quitting, but I still have sales goals to hit, and I feel like my team is slacking off. I understand. I know it's been tough, but I need them to step up. How can I do that without being bitchy? All ideas welcome, bring it, and I'll make your cocktail again when I watch, ha ha ha, exclamation point, best Elizabeth. Okay, Elizabeth, so the first thing that I'm gonna say is that we need to be empathically intelligent. We need to meet our people where they're at, and then we need to have our expectations really clear. So I read a book a long time ago by Elizabeth Lesser, and she introduced this fabulous concept of soft front, hard back, meaning I'm going to lean in and be soft, but I'm going to be rigid in the rules that I need. So if you're the opposite, if you're a hard front and a soft back, you come off all blustery and then your boundaries are meaningless when people push against you. But if you're a soft front, you can lean in and connect and then have a hard back, meaning, and we still have things that we need to do. So I'm just going to give credit to Elizabeth Lesser for that, soft front, hard back. And I want you to have a candid conversation. Magical phrase. We have to have a tough conversation, and it's really important to our team. We need to have an honest, maybe perhaps a little awkward conversation, and it's really important to our clients, our projects, our people, our goals. It's really important for our relationship. You fill in the blank. You decide what it is that you want to say. But what I like about this is you can say, soft front, it's been tough. And the whole quiet quitting is not about quitting. It's about reestablishing boundaries, because we've all been running a marathon at a sprint pace. And I understand. I get that. And we need to have a really tough conversation because we still have sales goals that we need to hit. So I would love to talk about our strengths and what's working, close the gap on where we need to go. And I have a question. What do you need most from me right now? What can I do to support you in meeting and exceeding these goals? So again, you're going to lean in to connect, and then you're going to have that rigid boundary of, and we still have these goals that we need to meet. So you say that you understand. You do understand, and you should let them know that you understand. And then talk about how you can make sure that these goals are not only met, but exceeded in a way that honors the fact that they've been through a lot and that they've given a lot, and you're behind them. You're there to support them. So I would suggest soft front, hard back, and a transparent conversation. From my heart to yours. Thanks for writing in, Elizabeth. Hugs.